Hi everyone, this is Patti from Print and Pixel Studio on Etsy, and we're bringing this video to you today to introduce you to our newest junk journal collection called Postcards from Paris. It's a really fun collection. I think it'll add a lot of interest to your journal. As you can see, the colors are gorgeous and there's some really pretty graphics. It comes with quite a few ephemera pieces. These botanical prints we turned into journaling cards in 2 different sizes. We also have a couple of pictures here. A little French dancer, and I'm not sure what her name is, but she's awfully cute with the roses. And then this time we did some circles to our collection, and we did the 2-inch and 1-inch. And then I found a little vintage piece of jewelry, and I included some Parisian theme decoration to it, which makes a really cute, as you'll see later in the video, it makes a really cute accent piece. A couple of really cute postcards. And the medallion is really cute, could make a really cute pocket or any kind of accent piece to your journal. And these make really cute pockets. I found an old ledger, and the neat thing about it was so small. Usually they're pretty large, but this is the exact size of it. And so I scanned it and then added some decoration to it so that you could add it to your journal to give you some different size pages. Thought they were really cute. And I tried to leave them as plain as possible so they'd leave enough journaling space or for you to decorate however you wanted. And I have quite a few pieces of coordinating paper. Really cute patterns. You also get 8 tags. This one I'll leave out because I have something more to say about that later. And then you get an assortment of butterflies, and I love the pinks. Really pretty. And I made up a few pieces just for inspiration. This little tag, which is really cute, with coordinated paper on the back. And then here's what I was talking about with the jewelry, the pin that I found that I added the French motif to. And these are little belly bands. They're really cute. Unfortunately, it's not my original idea, but I got it from a gal her name is Melina Pylant, and her YouTube site is mecraftyscrapper. And I'll leave that information in the description below so that you can check her out, because she's got a really great YouTube channel and she does a lot of fun things. And she was making these belly bands out of scrap paper to use up her scraps, which is a pretty cool idea. But I kind of wanted to take it to the next level, and so I used some of our patterned paper and ephemera to create these. And you can paste these to your actual journal page and leave it as a permanent piece and add pieces to it. Or you can just leave it on a card or picture or whatever you happen to have that you want to add some detail to, and then just lay it in your journal so that or even maybe paper clip it to the side so that you could take it in and out and change it up. Here's another one of them that I did using her inspiration, and I thought it turned out pretty cute. This is using one of our little botanicals. And then I took 2 of the butterflies and made a little 3-dimensional butterfly on the front. And even when you close the page, it won't hurt it. Just fluff it back up if you want. But the reason I pulled this tag aside is I thought it would be kind of a cute idea to do the same thing with the butterfly on this piece. So there's some really cute pieces in here that I think would add a lot of interest to your journal. And I hope you'll check us out on Etsy and use these pieces as an inspiration, a jumping off point for your own inspiration for your journal. So I hope we see you at the shop. Thank you.